think that should do it. Let's think about going into some of the look at me, I'm just keep going. Adding some of the fleshy areas, pumping that up a little bit more, and then we can go back over everything with some finer details on the surfaces of everything. Again, nothing particularly new, just seeing how we apply it to this area of the leg is always good to see. And we can always go back and do like the pass and crunching things up and bring a lot of oomph to everything, bring a lot of depth and excitement and that kind of thing. So this is the kind of the first attempt at the fleshy bit. I'm going to go back here where the scales are punching into the skin and really carve in some of these lines that would probably stray away from these scales. And another thing I'll do, I'll take the Form Soft and we will really sort of soften and puff some of these wrinkles out, these folds I should say. Really helps to unflatten a lot of this out here. Gives us a good start to that fleshy kind of feel that I want to have for these areas. And just gradually build it up. And then I'll just swoop along the bottom edge. Gives it a little bit of the gravity look. I don't use the gravity effect, the feature that ZBrush has where it's like does gravity for you. I don't really use that. I just tend to manually sculpt in my gravity. And these aren't like big giant folds anyway. Big giant like weighted, definitely affected by gravity kind of stuff. This is just the nature of bulging flesh in movement and the surfaces of a creature like this. So just a little bit of puff, a little bit of life. I gotta be careful with it though so I don't go overboard and make it look like a big marshmallow, which is a lot of what you see in beginner type sculpts, a lot of inflated airy looking type balloon creatures, which is fine. I did the same thing when I first started, just getting used to everything. Nothing to be ashamed of, just work on that stuff, eh? The secret around getting around that kind of look is to study the anatomy and the proportion of things and understand there's a structure to all of this. It's not just using cool brushes and going crazy with adding bulges for muscles and things. There's some subtleties to a lot of this work. So there.